So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Creative Studio on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So all you need to do is simply eject your S Pen, and then in the S Pen command menu, you're just going to go ahead and select Creative Studio. From here, if it's your first time using it, all you need to do is simply agree to the terms of use. Now, this is how Creative Studio looks like. At the very top, you have some examples of styles that you can use. Obviously, there is more than this, but these are the main styles these are some of the styles that are available. And then under it, you should see Design Studio. Now, from here, you can choose whether you want to create a sticker or if you want to create an invitation, greeting card, profile card, or wallpaper. Again, if you're creating one of these, you will be using one of the styles that are available. And then this is a project that I had been working on previously. But if you want to create your own project, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select a design studio idea, such as a wallpaper. Then from here, just tap on this style icon like so, and choose a style that suits your preferences. So you have all of these available for you to choose from. So go ahead and select one that you would love to use. Then from here, just to describe what you want in your style. So you can say for example, a bed of roses. And then once you've successfully given your design idea, just select generate and simply wait for your design studio or creative studio to generate the idea that suits your preferences. Then from here, you can see the content that it's given you. And if you don't like it, you can just tap on view prompt so that you can customize it, or you can choose to set it as your wallpaper or as your profile card. It's completely up to you. If you want to generate once more, just swipe to the right, select generate one more, and it will start generating another image again. And so that is how you can use Creative Studio on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.